Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Only fireworks with a "Safe and Sane" label, meaning they don't fly into the air or explode, are allowed in those cities. In the Bay Area, fireworks are allowed in Cloverdale, Dixon, Dublin, Gilroy, Newark, Pacifica, Rio Vista, Rohnert Park, San Bruno, Sebastopol, Sassoon City and Union City.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fireworks are illegal in certain areas of California because each year serious injuries and millions of dollars in property loss occur from wildfires sparked by fireworks. Large grass crops and dry vegetation increase the threat for devastating fires throughout all of California.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Lodi City Council has approved the sale and use of fireworks classified by the California State Fire Marshal as "safe and sane" fireworks within the city of Lodi. Permits for the sale of safe and sane fireworks are limited to 6 stands, which are chosen annually by a lottery.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.